In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install a bidet system in any toilet of your house. This is from the company Lux Bidet and it's really practical, really inexpensive, and it has everything that you need to be able to perform the installation. Now, the most important thing is to remember that this comes with his own hose. Also, it comes with tools for you to install the entire system without buying any tools, and also has a T that is the one that will provide the water from the tank filler to the bidet system itself, and I'm going to show you in a moment. But it's really practical, really it's flexible, and also really light. So you want to go ahead and remove your toilet seat. This is crucial because to install the bidet, it has to be sitting right flush with the base of your toilet bowl. So in this case, I have this one-piece toilet, and I'm going to show you a situation of frustration that you may have and how to take care of that. So now the bidet system itself will be installed after you close the water line. You want to make sure that you lose that tank water supply and you install your T. Now previously I installed the bidet system to the T, so that way it will be a little more practical because the areas are really tight and you want to make sure that you have everything nice and fastened. Now, the next thing that you want to do is just to connect the water supply line again. So now we will have water for the two systems, the tank itself and the bidet system. Now, this comes with these kind of bushings that you will adjust to the distance of your holes over there, and you want to go ahead and install your toilet again, toilet seat again. But here's the situation. Sometimes the cheap seats won't be able to close properly because are going to be hitting the back. But for that, it's not a big deal because you can actually get another toilet seat that is nice and flush. And normally they will come nice and flush, but if you have the one that I show you, you can replace it for one like this. And this one will be nice because it won't be hitting the water supply line of the bidet system. So it will close nice and easy. It won't put any type of pressure in it, and it will be just perfect for you to work with your new bidet system. So now you want to go ahead and open the water, make sure that everything is nice and tight so you won't have water spills or leaks, and you want to make sure that you don't do exactly what I did over here because you want to be sitting on it or you want to put a piece of plastic. The two knobs that you see here will control the pressure and the direction of the water. The first one will be a pressure, so you will open it up and you can feel the amount of pressure that you want to feel obviously when you're using it, and the other one will turn and will actually splash all the water or spray the water into the bowl to clean it up. It's really practical and really easy to work with. Now you know how to transform your toilet into a nice bidet as well. Follow my channel so you can find more tips.